Imagine you owning San Juan Lanes, located in the spectacular seaside community of Anacortes, Washington.
My favorite thing about San Juan Lanes is that you can have a bunch of fun games. I like the bowling the best mostly.
My family has been coming here before I was born, but I've been coming here for 4 years.
My favorite thing about San Juan Lanes is the breakfast.
The clam chowder,
Mickey Mouse pancakes, pizza.
It's a great place to hang out with family and friends.
San Juan Lanes Bar and Grill is currently offered for sale, sitting on over 32,000 square feet of real estate, located along the major route through Anacortes, taking travelers to the Washington State ferries with destinations to the world's renowned San Juan Islands. In addition to bowling and arcades, the patrons enjoy the full bar with sports on the big screen, full-service restaurant serving amazing food, including the award-winning fish and chips, voted best in town for 21 years running. Current owners have enjoyed running this profitable business for the past 8 years and are excited to assist the new owners through the transition with continued possibilities of growth. Please feel free to contact us for a copy of the executive summary and current pricing.